In this video, I will tell you how to withdraw from Binance to GCash. So first, what you need to do is open the Binance app and click on Assets. Before continuing, make sure you've already converted your crypto into USDT. Your USDT should be in the funding wallet. If it's still in Earn, you'll need to transfer it. Tap Earn, then select Redeem. Choose USDT, click Next, then Redeem. And finally, go to Earn Wallet. You'll see your USDT is no longer there. Now click Spot, then tap Transfer. Select from Spot Wallet and to Funding and make sure USDT is chosen. In the Amount field, press Max to move all funds, then click Confirm Transfer followed by OK. At this point, your USDT will be in funding. Next, tap Funding, then go to P2P Trading. Ensure the trading mode is set to P2P and your currency is PHP. Tap Sell, then enter the amount you want in PHP. You can either type the full value or choose the lowest limit. For example, enter 1000 PHP and confirm. Now select your payment method. Choose GCash and press confirm. Then tap Sell. Once done, wait for the buyer to send the payment. When the payment arrives, open your GCash app to verify the funds. After confirming that the money is in your GCash, return to Binance, click Payment Received, select the second option, then tap Confirm Release. This will complete the transaction and your USDT will be sold. That's how you withdraw from Binance directly to GCash. Thanks for watching.